Combi. So today, here is my video. I'm going to show you how to apply basic skincare, how to prep your skin before applying foundation. It's a rule of thumb before creating your makeup or doing your makeup, you have to make sure that your skin is well cleansed, it's toned, it's moisturized, and it's ready to makeup application. Alright? So let's go and dive in. I really love the cleanser and the gadget that comes along with this facial cleanser. So I'm just going to press, ta-da! And then I'm going to lightly of prepping your skin is also hindi mahirap i-apply yung foundation. So, the makeup products that you're going to apply in your skin will be applied smoothly. That's why we are prepping our skin. We're cleaning it, we're scrubbing it, we're applying moisturizer on it. So, now it's done. I'm going to wash my face and I'll be right back. Hi! So, I already washed my face na. So, the next procedure will be, after cleansing your face, you have to, of course, tone. No? You have to apply toner para sa skin mo. Actually, toner helps to prepare your skin to absorb the rest of the skincare products na i-apply natin. Kaya yun din yung purpose ng toner. There are so many toners, but make sure, I forgot to mention, make sure that your cleanser, number one, your toner, your moisturizer will suit your skin type. I've already created a video tutorial about how to know your skin type, so check it out. So para may knowledge kayo what is your skin type. So my skin type is combination. I have a dry side here, but my T-zone area are after the toner, then that's the time you have to apply your moisturizer. So for me, I have different kinds of different kinds of moisturizer. Sorry, I have this one from Embryolisse. It's major high end. It's made from France, and this one Dove. So whatever the choice mo, pwedeng mayrai as long as it gives your skin a moisture. But again, be very careful. Please use moisturizers that would really help your skin type. So kung acne prone ka and oily skin ka, buy or purchase a facial moisturizer that is gel based. Or tatanungin nyo, is it good for oily skin or acne prone skin? But if you are normal, dry skin, no? Pwede yung talagang yung may heavy emollient na moisturizer kasi it really helps to help to moisten your skin, lalo na pag dry ka. But if you're a combination, pwede yung Embryolisse or a little amount of Dove or any kind of moisturizer na pwede for dry skin and combination skin. So I'm just going to use a little amount of moisturizer. For dry skin, don't forget to place a little amount of moisturizer here. Kasi madalas ang dry skin merong flaky skin sa sides ng nose, sa forehead, and skin. And sa chin. So, yun lang. Then, when I apply moisturizer, I really see to it na a little amount lang. if you watch my makeup tutorial about matured skin, you've seen me doing facial massage on my mother-in-law. It's also helpful when you're applying moisturizer because it helps to circulate yung mga it helps to promote blood circulation sa skin natin. So, our face loves to be touched. So, if you have time, massage it habang ina-apply mo yung moisturizer. Okay? Don't put too much moisturizer na kasi masyadong naman talaga yung makeup pulas. So, after you apply moisturizer, let it dry for about 1 minute, 1-2 minutes. Kung meron pa kayong i-apply na another skincare product. So, for me, I'm going to apply another skincare, but this time, it's for the under eye. So, I'm using the Ordinary. Nakita nyo na po ito sa tutorial ko sa Matured Makeup. This is Ordinary Caffeine Solution. This is good for the under eye. It reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation. Pag sinabing pigmentation po yung like this, yung may sobrang puyat, lalo na po sa mga morena, yung medyo nagda-dark under eye circle, and puffiness. Pag sinabing puffiness po yung namamaga. Okay? So, it helps to lessen. So, I'm using the Ordinary. I'm just going to use a little amount. Use your ring finger. Ring finger is the most lightest. It has the most lightest touch and pressure. Kasi hindi ito yung madalas na nagpa-function lagi, di ba? It's like, ito yung pinaka-weakest area. Kaya ito yung sinasuggest na gamitin for around the under eye. So, if you're applying under eye serum or cream, you could do gentle swipe motions, or you could tap it. The time for me to also prep my lips. So I'm using a lip scrub. But you could also create your own lip scrub by combining a little amount of olive oil or honey and a little of brown sugar. Make it or turn it into paste, and you can use it as your lip scrub. So ako kasi I'm not just prepping my skin, but I'm also prepping my lips. Especially if we are applying a very matte lipstick. Pag dry ang lips mo, nag-flake, hindi siya magandang tignan. It's not good that you are not prepping your lips. So when your lips is too dry, it's flaky. It's not really advisable for you to wear a matte lipstick. So if you're going to wear one, make sure that your lips are fully scrubbed. Before, lip balm also helps to prep your skin, to prep your lips, to avoid dryness. So you're going to wipe this off when you're going to apply your lipstick. For me, I'm going to seal once again my face with MAC Prep and Prime. It really helps to really hydrate your skin well. So it gives also a soft feeling sa skin mo. So ito sa akin, but for me, ito yung ginagamit ko, but it's okay. Don't need to do this one. Ako just to being so extra lang. Okay? I love Fix Plus so much. Talagang, it has so many functions and purpose. Hey gorgeous, thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned something from me. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you will be updated on my new video uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for the love. God bless you. Bye!